Hi, my name is Carmia Keffer, and the name of the database I researched is the COLD database, which is run by the American Geosciences Institute, and it contains resources from 3 separate initiatives that relate to cold regions around the world: the Permafrost Monthly Alert, the Antarctic Bibliography, and the Bibliography on Cold Regions Science and Technology. These sources provide comprehensive bibliographies on cold regions, including scientific scholarly material covering biological and geological sciences, medical sciences, meteorology, oceanography, atmospheric and terrestrial physics, expeditions, logistics equipment and supplies, engineering, and other physical science information studied in cold regions. And the database's intended audience is students, researchers, and educators interested in cold region sciences. The COLD database contains a combination of full-text and abstract-only resources, and includes index terms on each source for organization and to help you find related items with these terms. The web design of this database is extremely straightforward and organized, with source filters neatly displayed on the right side of the web page. For example, if I want to look at all the resources the COLD database has on Weddell seals, I can write it in basic search and then narrow down my search using these filters. And as you can see here, this database contains journal articles, online sources, monographs, conference papers, compendium articles, technical reports, theses, and for some search items, maps are also available. All of these sources are provided by U.S. and overseas scientists in libraries and polar research institutions worldwide, and are often funded by the National Science Foundation. Time-saving features on this database include automatically generated citations in APA, Chicago, and MLA formats, an email button in order to send yourself sources, an export tool to export sources for further organization and management, and a button to save sources to a list for future reference. The database also includes abstracts for quick summaries of sources, and each source offers a similar items section that suggests other sources related to the one you're currently on. This database has basic search, advanced search, and geographic search options to cater to your specific research needs. In basic search, you can search any word or word combinations using one search box that can search in all fields or specified fields, such as title, author, affiliation, source, record ID, ISBN or ISSN, coordinates, subjects, and tags. Advanced search is very similar to basic search, but you can search using multiple fields and narrow down the specificity of results through the Limit To section by selecting the specific source, format, region, and language you want to search with. The database also has links to help users navigate advanced search and use search operators effectively. Lastly, the database offers a geographic search function to narrow down all resource materials from specific locations in cold regions around the world. The COLD database also includes a page to links to other cold region sites of interest for further research as seen on the bottom of the page, and also has a page dedicated to the Antarctic Journal of the United States where users can find the entirety of this research in online PDF form. I really enjoyed exploring this database due to its streamlined web design and research filters that can help narrow down search results, and I found reliable scientific resources that I can trust.